want, needy boy? Whoa. Oh my god, I don't know why Nara's being so needy. It's so cute though, I love it. Alright, seriously though, I need to do stuff. I need to do stuff. Please do not mind my messy room. I'm just gonna like trim my fringe kind of thing while I'm talking to you guys. So I was supposed to get my... Am I going to be able to talk and do this at the same time? I'm literally just doing it straight onto the floor and like all over my clothes. So it's my birthday tomorrow and birthday tradition. We're moving on from the platters this year and we are doing a vegan high tea in the park because restrictions are still on in Melbourne. Like they've been eased in a little bit of a way, they have been like somewhat eased, but not that much yet. So gonna do a cute little picnic high tea in the park for my B-day tomorrow. I pretty much have to like prepare everything today and tomorrow. I've never actually made a high tea before, let alone vegan high tea, so this will be interesting. But yeah, it's gonna be really cute in the park. We're gonna like set it up all. We've got these crates that I'll show you that we're gonna take to the park, and yeah, hopefully it will turn out good. I'll take you along to preparing and stuff. So I'm just about to go to my friend's house. His house is closer to the park, so like we're just gonna get everything ready there and like it'll be so easy to take from there. As usual, my room is such a mess right before my birthday. A week before my birthday, everything is a mess. Like my head is a mess, my room is a mess, my life is a mess. Always happens before my birthday. And then I'm like rushing around, blah, 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 doing everything. And then I get really emotional on my birthday and I cry it all out. It's fucking great. It's a great cycle. So yeah, I can't wait till tomorrow to have a lovely, lovely cry that this is all over. Maybe you're thinking that I'm putting unnecessary stress on myself and like, why would I do all this and then have a massive cry? But like, it's still fun. And like, I do wanna, it's just so, what's the word? Accomplishing. It's so rewarding, okay? It's rewarding and it's gonna be cute, and plus I just wanna show, I just wanna accomplish, you know, this vegan high tea because it's gonna be great and I wanna show how great it can be. Let's get on with our day. Got a lot to do, but also we have so much time, it's fine. We need to relax. We need to just relax, okay? It's not working well. Oh my god, we don't have a rind on. This actually looks like the worst risotto I've ever made. What is that? Is that fixable? This one's so little. After all that, getting all those crates, just gonna use one. You have so many fucking crates in your backyard. There's like full-on sugar granules in this cupcake mix. I don't know if that's good.
I mean, it's
Like, do you think it will melt in the oven?
the sugar will melt?
Well, it melts.
Does it? I don't know. I think it will stay.
Nah, it will melt, surely.
We'll find out.
Anyways, yeah, I don't think I actually videoed any of the cupcake mixture, but I made cupcakes. So I'm gonna make little mini cupcakes now, and hopefully they turn out okay. This does look like mashed potato. So late to the park.
When we got there, my friend Becky was waiting already because we were so late to the park, but it was her birthday too, and her sister had made us a vegan cake, which she had apparently dropped before we got there. So this is what we're talking about in the next part, because I didn't explain what we were talking about. I just randomly like whipped out my phone and I was like, "What'd you do?"
Did you drop it on it?
You drove us to the river, yeah?
Like all of the dirt was all at the top and I just scraped it all off. Hals, give us the verdict.
Oh,
Is it? Are you just saying that?
actually really yummy.
Yummy. This is so handy, this thing.
Nothing.
This Weber.
And then I stopped the video just like that, right there. See you later. Anyways, oh my god, looking back at all that food, oh, so good. I want it again. It's actually almost my birthday. Again, it's been like a year since I made this video. I think I'm gonna have to do this high tea thingy again for my birthday because it was bloody good. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time, hopefully, maybe. Yeah, I'm sure I will. I'm sure I'll see you soon. Okay, bye. Which camera do I... Oh. That was so dumb. Oh my god. Okay, I looked really dumb there, being like, which camera? But it actually tripped me out. So sorry. Let me try that again. Okay, bye.